what I wish I knew about hiccups instead of algebra. Let's dive into the quirky science behind those annoying hicks. So, why do we get hiccups? It all starts with your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it contracts suddenly and involuntarily. When that happens, your vocal cords snap shut and, surprise, you get that familiar hic sound. But what triggers this? Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, sudden temperature changes, or even strong emotions like stress or excitement can set it off. Most hiccups go away on their own, but if you're desperate, try holding your breath, drinking some water, or even swallowing a spoonful of sugar. Got a funny hiccup story? Share it in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support keeps us going.